So I'm gonna start from here, from the cathedral, St. Anne's Cathedral. I've showed you the vlog from yesterday. If you have seen it, check it out if you haven't. And this is the Royal Square. Ayan siya. Mahangin. And it's cold in here kahit summer. Okay. So again guys, this is the St. Anne's Church. And here we are in the Royal Square. And then towards it is the old town of Warsaw. Royal Square siya kasi nandito yung Royal Palace. That's the Royal Palace. Okay, and the old town. And of course, Warsaw. Warsaw sign. Okay, so Royal Palace. Ayan, ang haba ng pila. That's the line going in. But I will not go in. Let's just enjoy the outer facade of the palace. Ayan, may mga batang mag-field trip sa loob for history purposes. Ayan sila. So kahapon, pumasok na tayo sa first street and second street. Yan. Ngayon naman dun tayo sa gilid. Please check out the video from last time. Kasi I'm not gonna go back to the same place. So this is the main door. But entries are in the other side. Ganda ng mga building dito guys. They are well preserved. And the designs are just unique. The people long time ago, they are very creative. Creative, artistic. I don't know, I just I'm thinking of a word that would describe pa. Malamig guys. Summer na summer pero malamig. Kanina nag-check ako ng weather. It's 12 degrees but feels like 9 sabi niya. Kaya naka-fleece jacket. Here. Okay. Ito yung likod ng isang church na pinakita ko kahapon, yung triangle ng tutok. Ang hirap mabasa ng mga names ng churches kasi Polish siya, of course. But check out the captions below kung meron akong pinakita na main attraction. So far, ito yung isang tunnel or isang... Okay, yan yung church. Sa harap niya yung triangle. Okay, mamicture muna tayo ha. Yan. Maganda ng mga design, no? So, nandito rin yung isang main attraction na malaking bell. Nasa floor siya. Ito yun. Laki. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, here. So, of course, continue lang yung everyday life nila. Ayan. Tingnan natin to. May mga surprises pagka ganitong mga gate. Ito yung mga iba't ibang port ng walls ng Old Town. So, minsan meron siyang overlooking spots para sa city. Ayan. Dito makikita yung river for sure. Dito ako na-amaze guys. Ang gaganda ng mga bulaklak nila. Hanap tayo na magandang spot. At meron ditong isang famous na statue din. Ayan siya. Madilim. Against the light. Kasi ayan. Okay. So, ito rin yung mga famous nilang ginagawa dito. They put some love locks in here. Ayan. And of course, stadium. Stadium nila dito. Ayan. Tapos ito yung mamayang hapon, maghahanap ako ng way papunta dyan sa promenade. I-explore natin mamaya yung river. Okay? So, ayan lang yung view dito. And then, of course, part of the old town are beautiful old buildings. Ayan siya. Oh, and by the way, meron akong nakikitang malaking towers doon. That could be a church. I don't know how to go there. I will find out. Gusto kong makita yun. Okay. So, check it out later kung napuntahan ko siya. Alright. So, that's the Vistula River. And let's continue exploring the old town. So, guys, usually my vlog is all about architecture and not so much with history, so bear with me. Just enjoy the view, ayan, and just check the captions below if I'm showing you some main attractions. Okay, enjoy po! So, tignan natin to. Parang ito ni dinagdagan lang siya ng ano eh, new part of the building. Ayan siya, kung titignan mo. Old yan siya. Or ayan. Tapos dinagdagan na siya ng bago. Dito tayo sa gilid kasi may mga dumadaan din na mga sasakyan. Of course, even if it's an old town, marami ding nangyayari dito. The normal life is still going on. Ito is a museum, Museum Warsaw Centrum Interpret Heritage Interpretation Center, the Old Town. Okay, may bayad guys. May bayad siya. Pagka may bayad, allergic ako sa may bayad. Doon lang ako sa free stuff. So yeah, this is the budget travel guys. I stay in hostels. I walk around the town. If it's free, I go in. Ayan po. A travel abroad doesn't mean to be expensive. Okay. Kung gusto mo lang naman mag-explore ng architecture, some history, new food, of course. The culture not much. Ay, bongga siya. Ang ganda. I wanna take a picture here, okay? Yan, lakad ulit tayo. Ganun lang. Picture pag may time. Oh, this alley is also interesting. Ang cute. Ang liit siya. Papunta ito sa river, Vistula River. Yeah. So later on, we're going to the river. Ayan. So every alley here is so interesting. Ayan. Galingan kong street. Ayan siya. Sa banda roon, meron akong nakikitang interesting building. Meron siyang green dome. Okay. napapansin nyo yung mga vlogs ko, I'm not only featuring buildings, flowers din siya, nature. And then, part of the wall, yung old wall, ayan. Tapos, mamaya pagbalik ko dyan na lang ako dadaan. Tapos ito, papunta na yan sa river, oh. Pero mamayang hapon na lang kung hindi siya uulan. Kasi ang forecast ngayon, look at the skies. Look at the skies. It's gonna rain today. Oh my gosh. So, looking at these buildings, guys, tapos yung mga designs nila, tapos ang titibay pa, talagang sobrang skilled at sobrang talino ng mga tao noong unang panahon. Ngayon, ang bilis masira ng mga buildings, pero yung mga buildings na to, ang tagal-tagal na pero maganda pa rin siya. Ang makikita mo lang na sometimes sira niya, syempre naglalaglag yung ibang tiles niya, ganyan, nagpe-fade yung colors niya, pero nakatayo pa rin siya from all the seasons and the weathers. Buo pa rin siya, guys. Like this one. Hindi mo alam kung ilang taon na yan siya. And the other one is this one. Very interesting yung design niya. Meron siyang tiles, mosaic, different colors. Ayan. Kita nyo yung design, guys. Kakaiba. Ayan. Tapos ito nga. Okay. And then at the back is the wall of the old town. So ibig sabihin nasa labas na pala ako ng old town, but still a part of the old town. Kasi marami pa siyang old buildings. And then now nagdadalawang isip ako. Merong isang tower doon, meaning may isang church doon, and meron ding isa doon sa banda roon. So let's check it out dito muna. Total papunta rin naman siya doon. We have enough time. Let's explore everything. Ayan siya. Let's explore everything. I mean, maaga pa naman. It's 10:45. I have the whole day to explore the old town. Ayan po. Ayan na siya, guys. Ang ganda. Yan yung isang court niya. Ganda, no? Yan siguro yung pinaka-main gate. Tapos, check natin yung town walls. Ay, Jiva, ang kaganda. Bilisin natin kasi tumatawid na ano. Ay. Ay. Ganda, no? Ang sira lang niya, natutuklap lang yung ibang parts ng tiles. Pero so far, standing strong pa rin siya eh. Gaya ng isang building din na yan. Oh. Painting siya. Tapos yung isa din. Nakaiba rin yung design. Yan siya, guys. Ayan. Mamaya pagbalik ko, doon ako dadaan sa port na yun. Dito muna tayo. Kasi malayo doon. Medyo lumalayo na ako sa Old Town. Okay lang. O, diba ang ganda ng mga outdoor restaurants nila? Ayan o. Kabulak-bulak. Sarado yung church. Ito, may bukas dito. Tignan natin. Ayan siya oh. Ay, nagsara na. Dito pataasan sila ng ano, tower. Doon mo malalaman talaga na may church. Diba, no? Ayan siya. Nakita ko na ano, open siya. Let's find out kung anong church ito. The Armenian Backstreet Saint Dominic. Okay. So, Saint Dominic siya. Tignan natin kung pwedeng pumasok. Okay. Close the door. Bawal maingay. Quiet lang. Ito yung church. ilaw nila. Carrefour Express. Okay. And here. And so, ito na yung Green Dome na nakikita ko from a distance. Ang ganda. Tapos dito may fountain. Ito siya. Tadan! Ganda. Padaan. Excuse me. Ang cute nila. Kasi pupunta ako doon. Tignan natin kung free. Kasi open yung ano niya, yung door niya. Meron ako nakitang tao nang galing doon. Punta muna tayo dito para malaman natin yung pangalan ng church. What does it say? Monastery. The Institute of Benedictine Nuns of the Perpetual Adoration was created in France. So this one is the Monastery of Benedictine Nuns of the Most Blessed Sacrament. Was founded in Warsaw in 1688. Okay, so this is a monastery. Tingnan natin kung pwedeng pumasok. The Benedictine Sisters of Perpetual Adorations. Dito na lang tayo mag-explore. So sarado siya, guys. We can just admire it from here. Okay. Sarado siya. And let me try the other door. Close talaga siya. Anyway, we are lucky to pick from here. Ayan siya. That's the altar. Maliit lang siya sa loob. Not so big. lang sa altar. Okay. So that's it. We're lucky to have a peek inside. Now, where are we? Okay. Let's continue on this side kasi meron na naman akong nakitang isa pang magandang tower. Here it is. Okay. Another church. So, ito yata yung nakikita ko kanina. These are the kind of structures that I'm really amazed of, even if they are not on my bucket list. As soon as I see the towers from the distance, I go for it. Yan. Interesting. Bricks. And then of course, on the side will be the Vistula River, but I will show you later. Tingnan natin muna yung labas niya from a distance. Meron pang isa doon. There are just too many churches on every corner. And then from the distance, here. Okay, eto na. Ewan ko kung bukas din siya. Here we go. Ayan. So, bell tower lang pala yung nakita natin. Ito yung whole church. Ayan siya. And that's the bell tower. Okay. That's it. Okay, so I have shown you just another church in this part of the town. Ayan, let's go check out the view on the river. I think yung river nila dito is Vistula River. Ayan siya. Pero at least hindi siya naulan like what the weather forecast said yesterday. It's gonna be rainy today, but of course it's cloudy. Ayan. So nandito yung church. Ayan. Ganda ng mga churches nila dito. Ooh lala, that's what I love. May fountain. Ayan na. Laking fountain. Okay, I'm gonna show you the view. I wonder kung meron siyang light show sa gabi. So, we have to check it out tonight. Kung meron siyang light show. Okay. Time to go down. Okay. So here it is. Park Fountain Warzawa or Warsaw. Okay, yan yung pinanggalingan ko. Taas. Yan yung mga church na pinakita ko. Dan. Wala. Dito na tayo. Laki ng fountain. Meron din doon.